My name is Xifeng Chen. In today's video, I will introduce the new palette design for the flexible rice bag. The wood species used in the palette were Douglas fir, redwood, southern yellow pine, and bull cypress. The weight of the unit load is 25 pounds per bag. There was 100 bags, so the total weight is 2,500 pounds. The size of the palette was 48 inches by 40 inches palette. This size is the most common used palette in USA. The left picture shows the overhang of the load and the right picture shows the underhang of the load. The palette is partial forward and unidirectional base. The image I took is from the store, and the left picture shows the front view and the right picture shows the side view of the palette. This is the chart where all the dimension is recorded in the store. All the components is listed out, the number of the component is listed out, and the dimension of individual component is typed below. One thing I want to point out from this dimension is top inner tack board. There were two different sizes. If you count the tack board from left to right, the left number 3 inner tack board and the 5th inner tack board were the smaller ones. There were 3 design challenges for the new palette. First, design the palette which support all corners of the rice bag. Second, use less wood material compared to the previous one. Third, design a load that's more efficient. It supports the maximum weight as needed. As you can see from the picture, the original design was using 19.1 board feet, and it consists 4 different kinds of wood species. And the new palettes where I use yellow poplar as the type species of wood lumbers, because yellow poplar is the most common wood species in southeast parts of USA, including Virginia. We are the one of the top yellow poplar lumber supporter. And since the yellow poplar were hardwood lumbers, so the moisture content would be green. The original palette design only support the maximum safe load is 1071 pounds, and the required load were 2,500 pounds. There was like 1,500 pounds difference. It's not supported. And as you can see from previous picture, the lumber was using for tack board have crack and splits in it. So since I use the yellow poplar, it's one of the hardest wood lumbers, so it increased the stiffness and the strength of the lumber, so the predicted maximum safe load changed from 1071 pounds to 2563 pounds, and that supports the rice bag unit load. There were several things I changed from the old design. First, I increased the height for the stringer and the weight for the stringer. I decreased 0.5 inches notches from all sides. And I decreased the depth of the top and the bottom tack board. And with the top tack board, because I want to support all the corners, so I made the center tack board wider, and I only use 6 tack boards for this design. This picture was additional dimension from previous picture, and this were the new palette design 3D file. Thank you.